And the same procedure will hold true if you're linking to another website. You would get the address of the website, and then you would, let us try it here. So we're going to put it to, we're going to come out of the preview, right? We're going to go back to the home page. Can click here to go to the home page. Going to come down to here, and let's click this. Let's edit it. So I click this pencil. Let's put www.yahoo.com. Gonna click update. So when we go to the preview mode, right? When we scroll down, when we hover, when we click here, see that we are navigated to a different website, which is yahoo.com. All right. So I'm gonna come back. Gonna close this, and we are now in our um website that we are building. All right, so I showed you how to link to a page within our web page, to a section in the web page, to link to a specific part on the same web page. Again, you'd have to publish your site by pressing this button. You have to come out of the preview. You publish the site, and when you publish the site and you go on the site, you will be able to see this link. Just like how you have this section that says duplicate, you would click on it, and then here now when you click on this and you click this pencil, just like how I put yahoo.com right there, you would paste the link that you got when you publish your site, right? I'm going to show you now how to send an email, right? All right, so to make an email now, we're going to click this insert tab. We're going to go, I'm going to make another button. So I'm going to call this, all right, contact us by email. Contact us by email. And what we would do now, would type our email address here. So what we would write is you'd have to write a keyword in there so that the online website builder will know that you're sending an email. So you write mail to colon, and then you write your email address, and then you click insert, and it will be inserted, right? So when I go to the preview, right, when I scroll down, here is the button. We're gonna move the button. I'm gonna show you how to move the button. So I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna come back, and I'm gonna move the button somewhere up the top or above the questions, right? So here it is. So I'm going to go to the preview, going to scroll down and look for my email, contacts by email, which is this. When I click on it, see now, I'm redirected to open my email, and then the email will come up right here, and you'll be able to send the email to the person who made the site. All right, so we're going to come out of this because this is just a demo, right? I'm going to close this. The next thing I'm going to show you now, I'm going to show you how to upload a file that you created, right? So what I'm going to do, you have to insert either text box or images to store your content, right? So I'm going to insert an image. So I'm going to click upload, right? And I'm going to choose an image, maybe an image that says CAD Mr. Hugh. This is how you would insert uh, an image that was made by you, right? If you want to insert a document that you made, you can upload your document onto your website, right? If I want to copy this, I would click copy, and then I can move it to wherever I want to move it, right? So this is how you would actually make your site. So in summary, I showed you how to open and choose a template on the website builder. I told you what was a hyperlink. I showed you how to create a hyperlink to another web page on our website. I showed you how to create a hyperlink to access a section on the same web page. I showed you how to create a link to an email. I showed you how to create a hyperlink to link to an external site, and the site that we used was yahoo.com. And I showed you how to upload a content that you made. And the example that I showed you was a photograph that says CAD with Mr. Hugh. We have come to the end of part 2 of the 2 videos covering the topic how to design hyperlinks for your web page.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.